Hello, welcome to Glam by Noel. This channel inspires you with the latest fashion trends and more. So if you're new here, kindly go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification button. The majority of women are fashionistas who keep up with the most recent trends. Every event is covered in the clothing. It doesn't matter if it's a casual or fancy occasion. Many fashionable women's closets are incomplete without an evening gown. These gowns are appropriate for cocktail parties, romantic nights, and even weddings. They come in a variety of lengths, including short, mid, and ankle, letting you choose the one that best complements with your body type. Clothing can be made of cotton, which is the modest, or silk, which is romantic. Because there are so many styles to choose from, finding an appropriate evening gown is simple. It's a must-have for many women's wardrobes. Every woman appears lovely and trendy in it.